Nissan is working on a new generation of the Murano, as indicated by these photos. The new 4th generation model appears to have an interesting design and a swoopy overall shape. We expect the new Murano to arrive early next year as a 2025 model. The current 3rd generation Nissan Murano has been around for a while now, but it appears that a replacement is finally on the horizon. These photos show the new 4th generation of Nissan's 2-row mid-size SUV offering, which should debut within the next few months as a 2025 model. We expect the new Murano to continue to share its underpinnings with the 3-row Nissan Pathfinder, which means front-wheel drive will be standard with all-wheel drive optional. This also means the trusty 3.5-liter V6, which produces between 284 and 295 horsepower in the Pathfinder, will soldier on in the Murano. Rumors previously suggested that the Murano could use Nissan's e-Power hybrid system that employs an electric motor to power the car and a gasoline engine to serve as a generator. This system is already used in many Nissan models abroad, though we haven't heard any updates on when or if it's coming to the US market, so it remains to be seen whether or not it will ever make its way to our shores.